Dito kami guys, bibili lang naman ng sasakyan. Bibili lang, dalawa. Joke. Hi ma'am, may I help you?
58,000.
You can choose in our used cars. You can choose. Mahal ang parts nito, mami.
Okay, ito na, sold.
How much? Wow,
Ito, BMW.
Porsche.
I wanna buy this.
It's Porsche. Mahirap lang ang parts nito, BMW.
Tingnan mo, oh, yung ano niya, oh, di sarado.
Yeah, it's good. It's good for Kate.
Kate, you
I
wanna
like
buy
this
this?
Kate.
BMW 2000.
Dalawa, sa'yo, kunin mo isa, mami.
Nasa may okay lang na this.
Okay lang yan.
You wanna buy this, okay?
You like what you see? Good It's good mami. Wow, beautiful. Ano naman, 7,900? 7,000, no? Yun ba yun?
Ano, para naman ngayon ka lang bumili ng sasakyan. Kita mo lahat ng sasakyan may number.
O gani. Mahal din ang presyo, ma'am, ano? Ano, to, wala na rin.
Nasa 50 naman.
Acura.
Sabi ko, ito 16,000 lang. Acura pala.
Okay na rin.
No?
Oh, okay na yun? Sold ka na doon?
61.
Mahal pa rin. Brand new yata yan.
Hindi. Ayun, brand new.
May Mazda para sila, oh. Magkano kaya itong Mazda? 20. 20 pare.
You wanna get the BMW first?
No. You first and then Kate next.
No.
And then she next.
Because let's get the BMW.
It's hard, the parts expensive. Ayan natin, drive na ni Mami yung car ni Kate for college. Ilang linggo na lang mag-umpisa na yung panganay naming mag-college sa San Jose, California. Yay! BMW. Mami, dahan-dahan ka lang. Bulhutan mo wagoy. We already try. Abangan for the next video kung makuha namin yung kutsi. Alright guys, stay tuned.
The Huguenot which one like?